Hello everyone, it's Wilson Souza. So today I'll be presenting our second assignment for the data science class. So we are learning Python and then for data analysis and machine learning. So this assignment we are going to show, I'll demonstrate how to work with CSV files, and train machine learning models using SKLearn library and evaluate their performance. So the assignments, it's classified in two parts. Involves in two parts. So the part A, it's a tennis classifier that build a classifier to predict whether we can play tennis based on the weather conditions. So I will do a quickly overview the code and also the assignments. Try to be quickly. So as you can see, I did import the library, and also I import the decision tree classifier. I also did create the tennis data set CSV, and then I did import I load the tennis data set, and then I did prepare the features. I extract the features and labels from the data set to prepare the data for the model. Okay, and then so I did also. I'm gonna skip a few steps to be short video. I did train the classifier. I use the decision tree classifier to train the model. This algorithm builds the tree like models decisions, like based on their inputs. Okay, as you can see, that there is the decision tree classifiers here. So, and then I did test the unseen data. So I train after the train the model. I test the three new weather scenarios like temperature, weather, and windy. So, and then the next one, what I did encoded the test data to ensure the test data has the same columns as the training data. And then the final one, I made the predictions, and then also I did show the predictions. So the result shows it's whether if you can play the tennis under those conditions. So as you can see, predictions for the tennis set, yes, no, and no. So as you can see, everything's running properly. And then the part B, it's COVID classifier. So this part B is recreating the model to predict whether whether if a person has the COVID based in their symptoms. So also I did import the libraries. As you can see, I'm using the random forest classifier. And then I also did create a file, CSV file, and I load the file here, and then to allow me to work in this file with on the project. So at this part, I have to clean the data, the column, and make sure it's free from any extra space or hidden characters. So I did also prepare the features and labels. And then it did split the data set. I did it 7% training and 30% testing. And then I did train also the classifier. So I used the classifier like a random forest classifier, and then I did train the classifier, as you can see, it's here. And then after I did make the predictions, and then the final one, I calculate and display the currency values. So the correct prediction. So the data, the accuracy scores give us the percentage of the predictions. Okay, as you can see, here is working properly too. It's accuracy of the COVID data sets 1.0. Okay, so both models demonstrates how machine learning can help make predictions from structured data using basic classification techniques. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. It's working properly. As you can see, I try to do a short video. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my presentation.